Welcome to ClickMyProject. Our project title is Defending Against Collaborative Attacks by Malicious Node in MANET, a cooperative by the detection approach. Our modified abstract is in our process we preventing the or detecting the malicious node launching grayscale or collaborative black hole attacks. To resolve these issues by designing a dynamic source routing based routing mechanism which is to be referred as a cooperative bait detection scheme that integrate the advantages of both proactive and the reactive defense. We investigate the integrations of CBDS which other well-known message security schemes in order to construct a comprehensive secure routing framework to protect the MANET against malicious. In mobile ad hoc network, the MANET, a primary requirement for the establishment of communication among the nodes is that the nodes should be cooperate with each other. In the presence of malicious node, this requirement may lead to serious security concerns. For instance, such nodes may be disrupt the routing process. In this context, by preventing and detecting the malicious node, this paper attempts to resolve these issues by designing DSR-based routing mechanism. Our CBDS method implement the reverse tracking technique to help in advancing to achieving the stated goal. In data flow diagram, first of all, we creating a network. In that network, here we creating three type of network, means we choosing which any one of the network for sending the data from source. After that, we send a file through the source node, and in the base station it verified and validating, and the informations are verified and validated and sent it to the base station. The base station also verifying it and find if any faults are occurring through the transmission process. After that, if any fault are occurring, means it detecting those fault and rectified the fault, and finally it transfers the data to the destination. We finding the intermediate faults occurring in the network. Let's start our demo. First of all, click that homepage.java and right click run file. Here our project title is Defending Against Collaborative Attacks by Malicious Node in MANET. Click that button. First of all, here initially we are going to creating a network. Here we are creating three type of networks, N0, N1, N2. If we are choosing N1 means N1, N2, N3. Here we are choosing N0. After that, click here we are going to verify. In that node, it containing three type of nodes. In that network, it contains three types of nodes. You are choosing one. Get the IP address of your system. Then enter the password. Okay. Verifying. Then we send a data through this particular node. In that network N0. In that network we choosing N0, a node 1 as a source node. So click that and choosing any one of the files. After that, view the data contained in the file. Data integrity checking. Here there's a node 1 and their IP address and the data path. After that, we get the source IP, node ID, private key, encrypted IP key. Here we encrypted our IP for security purpose. After that, you getting the vertex ID and encrypted private key. Okay. Now we send this information to the base station. Okay. After that, clicking base server.java. Here we get the encrypted IP address, encrypted node ID, and the encrypted private key. Then get source IP, decrypted. We decrypted everything and verified everything key is correct and send the status. Now Now get the status. After that, vertex ID, get the file path, get the key. Now send the information to the base station. Now base station get the file hash key. Here also they verified. If the hash key is correct, means it send the information to. Here we get the status. After that, before we sending to destination node, first of all we on this on it. First of all, start it. Start. Now click to send the information. Here now the data is received in the client side. Okay, this is a client frame and it is a server. It transfers the data to the destination. Now while clicking that send to destination, it automatically retrieved in the client side. If any attacks are formed or occurred in the intermediate, it will detect. Thank you.